Here we are in June and our Euphorbias have finished flowering now. We want to prevent them from using lots of energy to produce and ripen their seeds. So what we're going to do is deadhead them by just taking off this flowering stem. These plants here are young plants. As you can see, there's just one sort of rosette of foliage here, whereas this one is a little bit older, but it's been cut back already, which has encouraged it to produce more stems from the base. So by deadheading and cutting off this flower stem, we will be encouraging more sort of stems to emerge from the base, and we will reduce the amount of energy being wasted. So next year it should come back with like good vigour and produce a really nice display. So it's just as simple as that.